ThriveCart Transactions. There is a lot of information inside ThriveCart with regards to the transactions that occur. So let's dive right in. Yeah, you can do a lot there. You could search by customer name, email address, whatever. You can also search by products, all products, individual products, upsells, downsells, etc. You can also search by time, all time, today, yesterday, previous 7 days, previous 30 days, week to date, month to date, last month, custom range. One of my favorites is simply month to date. And I usually know how much I made compared to last month, so it's a nice comparison. You can sort by date or amount. The default is date, I think most recent. And if you want, you can filter by payment processor, the order amount, the transaction type, whether it's a favorite or not, and I'll show you that one in a second, and currency. So here's what it looks like when you go to the transaction page as you log in to ThriveCart. You just click on that little person icon near the upper right, and what's displayed here is the search bar at the top, and then you get kind of a snapshot for that time frame of revenue, refunds, tax, commissions, revenue, and then some total numbers. And then down below, you're going to see individual transactions sorted by date, newest first as the default. Now, that little teeny heart right there, if you were to click on it, it changes it to red and it makes it a favorite. Didn't know what it was till I clicked on it. Now, if you look at an individual person or a larger section of larger number of transactions, there's actually a download CSV button there on the bottom left, and that gives you a number of pieces of information about that transaction. And it's in a spreadsheet format, so you can do whatever magic you want to do inside that spreadsheet. You can issue refunds. And that doesn't necessarily have to be a full refund, which you can do. You can also do a partial refund, and you can leave a note. And if you're doing subscriptions, you've got the ability to manage those. You can cancel, and this will not be able to come back to you again. Or you can simply pause this subscription temporarily. And there's also an invoice button. I think there was, look back there, the bottom left, it says view invoice. If you do that, this will pop up. It'll look like a PDF because I think that's how it gets sent. Bottom left-hand corner, there's a resend to customer button, which will, of course, send that to them. So if someone ever requests it, great, just send that right back to them. And then when you dive into the information about a single person, there's definitely more information there. One nice little feature in the upper right is the lifetime value, basically how much money you've collected from them to date. And along the top, overview, individual purchases, subscriptions, that's what we're focusing on here. And because this person paid with a credit card through Stripe, we can actually view their profile inside Stripe. We can also, inside ThriveCart, update their credit card, and if you want, make them an affiliate, if that's appropriate. Just looking a little bit closer, you can update the customer's email address. And what's nice is if you then, like it says, if you send the invoice again, it'll go to the new address. Plus, if the email address already exists that you're changing it to, those results will be merged. Very smart. And then this is what it looks like inside Stripe if you weren't to block everything out. Basically, it's their profile on there. First, last name, IP address, credit card or credit cards, and of course you can edit those in there, but you can actually do that inside ThriveCart, and that would be kind of the first stop in my opinion, is because you want to make sure that you're leaving some history behind. And then for instance, here's where you can update their credit card information. The only thing I will say about that, it would be nice if they had a little placeholder and it told you this is where you put the credit card number and this is the CVC, but you know what, I've done enough credit cards to know. So that's a look inside ThriveCart at the transaction information.